What is another name for sedimentary rocks due to their layered structure? A. Crystalline rocks. B. Igneous rocks. C. Stratified rocks. D. Metamorphic rocks. The correct answer is C. Stratified rocks. What geological features are characteristic of the Brazilian highlands along the east coast? A. Sand dunes. B. Deep canyons. C. Extensive deltas. D. Steep cliffs. The correct answer is D. Steep cliffs. What was the name of India's first scientific research station established in Antarctica? A. McMurdo. B. Bharti. C. Maitri. D. Dakshin Gangotri. The correct answer is D. Dakshin Gangotri. What do the continuous freezing and thawing of rocks during night and day cause? A. Expansion and contraction. B. Chemical alteration. C. Sol formation. D. Mineral precipitation. The correct answer is A. Expansion and contraction. In which state is Kikar an important species of natural vegetation? A. Uttarakhand. B. Gujarat. C. Punjab. D. Odisha. The correct answer is C. Punjab. Besides Argentina, which of the following countries is mentioned as having estancias? A. Colombia. B. Uruguay. C. Brazil. D. Venezuela. The correct answer is B. Uruguay. What is the temperature of the ocean water in a trench relative to freezing? A. Slightly cooler than freezing. B. Significantly colder than freezing. C. Slightly warmer than freezing. D. Exactly at freezing temperature. The correct answer is A. Slightly cooler than freezing. What type of climate is experienced in the northern part of Asia? A. Warm and wet. B. Tropical with high temperature. C. Severe long winter. D. Hot and dry. The correct answer is C. Severe long winter. What percentage of Africa's total land area is covered by forests? A. 15%. B. 25%. C. 20%. D. 10%. The correct answer is C. 20%. Which age group is generally more migratory? A. Adolescents. B. Adults. C. Children. D. Elderly. The correct answer is B. Adults. What is the longitudinal reference of point C based on the Earth grid diagram? A. 0, CID, 31. B. 20, CID, 31, E. C. 10, CID, 31, W. D. 10, CID, 31, E. The correct answer is A. 0, CID, 31. What is meant by loss of biodiversity? A. The introduction of new species. B. The decrease or disappearance of species. C. The stabilization of ecosystems. D. The increase in species numbers. The correct answer is B. The decrease or disappearance of species. What is the second largest agro-based industry in India? A. Wool industry. B. Sugar industry. C. Cotton textiles. D. Jute industry. The correct answer is B. Sugar industry. How are glaciers primarily grouped? A. By size and depth. B. By location and movement. C. By speed and temperature. D. Into mountain, valley, and continental glaciers. The correct answer is D. Into mountain, valley, and continental glaciers. Which region in India commonly uses tank irrigation? A. Northern Plains. B. Himalayan region. C. Desert areas. D. Peninsular India. The correct answer is D. Peninsular India. Which region is given as a best example of tropical monsoon winds? A. The African continent. B. The Australian outback. C. The Indian subcontinent. D. The European plains. The correct answer is C. The Indian subcontinent. What moves across the surface of a celestial body as a space exploration vehicle? A. An orbit. B. An axis. C. A spacecraft. D. A rover. The correct answer is D. A rover. What is an example of a man-made disaster listed in the text? A. Flood. B. Tsunami. C. Cyclone. D. Industrial accidents. The correct answer is D. Industrial accidents. Which city is mentioned as a major cotton textile center in the state, besides Coimbatore? A. Kochi. B. Hyderabad. C. Bangalore. D. Erode. The correct answer is D. Erode. Which part of Madhya Pradesh is mentioned as receiving low rainfall? A. Northern. B. Eastern. C. Southern. D. Western. The correct answer is D. Western. What is the degree of heat present in the air called? A. Temperature. B. Humidity. C. Precipitation. D. Pressure. The correct answer is A. Temperature. Into which body of water does the Nile River drain? A. Mediterranean Sea. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Red Sea. D. Indian Ocean. The correct answer is A. Mediterranean Sea. Which tiger reserve is located in the region of Vembadi-Pothigai Hills? A. Bandipur Tiger Reserve. B. Kalakkad Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve. C. Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. D. Periyar Tiger Reserve. The correct answer is B. Kalakkad Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve. Which of these uses for rocks is listed as a building material? A. Writing chalk. B. Cement. C. Ornament. D. Bath scrub. The correct answer is B. Cement. What is magma called after it rises to the surface? A. Plateau. B. Lava. C. Fissure. D. Rock material. The correct answer is B. Lava. What specific aspect of the state's geography are students expected to understand regarding their living places? A. The geographical conditions. B. The local culinary traditions. C. The political history of the local government. D. The architectural styles of buildings. The correct answer is A. The geographical conditions. Which galaxy is mentioned in the provided text? A. Milky Way Galaxy. B. Andromeda Galaxy. C. Triangulum Galaxy. D. Magellanic Clouds. The correct answer is A. Milky Way Galaxy. Wise usage is important for which type of resources to avoid limiting their quantity? A. Universal resources. B. Renewable resources. C. Localized resources. D. Non-renewable resources. The correct answer is B. Renewable resources. The Kaveri River bifurcates in Karnataka, forming which two islands? A. Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. B. Kudagu and Karnataka. C. Srirangapatnam and Sivasamudram. D. Multai and Betul. The correct answer is C. Srirangapatnam and Sivasamudram. How many urban dwellers is Nigeria projected to add between 2018 and 2050? A. 150 million. B. 189 million. C. 416 million. D. 255 million. The correct answer is B. 189 million. How did you score?